Let's have Michael Jackson from Cadence on the stage, please. Well, that was great music. I feel like dancing.
Yes, and we should. With a name like Michael Jackson, I should be dancing.
Welcome, Michael Jackson.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, Manish.
Now, let me have a small quiz. When you see these images on screen,
Yes?
what do you see?
I see electronics.
Really? I see mechanical objects.
Okay, how about electromechanical systems?
Deal.
Deal.
Okay.
In fact, Manish, product complexity in every industry is exploding due to trends like increasing electrification. Cadence is the leader in electronic design automation, developing AI-powered tools for PCB and semiconductor design and analysis.
And SolidWorks clients are shifting from product thinking to experience thinking in their product development processes, where the value of the product comes from the users. And it exponentially drives the demand for connected electromechanical devices. Today, Cadence and Dassault Systems unveil the first cloud-enabled collaborative electromechanical experience, purpose-built for ArcadX, AllegroX, and 3D Experience SolidWorks. We did it to make it simple and user-friendly, which is the trademark of SolidWorks brand.
This new integration provides electrical and mechanical engineers with an unparalleled collaboration experience. The combined solution optimizes and accelerates the end-to-end electromechanical systems development process. The new integration offers seamless and scalable capabilities to customers of all sizes, from startups to enterprises, and this partnership brings together the best of the electronics and mechanical worlds.
And the best part is that we provide you with the holistic view of your entire manufacturing data on Dassault Systems 3D Experience platform. So one last question, Michael. When is it going to be available?
We are launching it in July. Stay tuned.
Absolutely thriller, Michael.
Yes. Thank you, Manish.
Anything else you want to say?
You know, I'm an MJ, Michael Jackson, but Manish Jackson is going to be dancing in some competition, I understand, tomorrow night. So everyone get ready for that.
You're all invited. More on that tomorrow.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you.
Yes.